All right, so we are going to cover the assignment where we had to solve and sort our equations. So let me just go over the directions. Yes, you do have to solve all of these. There's 16 problems. Once you solve them, any one of these that has a positive answer needs to go in the grid. In the grid. Any of them that have a negative answer, they are going to be ordered from least to greatest down here. So say I had one of these that had negative 12 as the answer. I would look at the letter and go, okay, negative 12. Say that one's the smallest one, and it was O. I'd put O in here for the question mark, or I would just move the box. So I'm going to do an example problem. Let me do this one. And I'll do one that has distributive property, one that does not. So this one has like terms. I'm going to switch on over here. So negative 2x. All right, so I put this over here. And I already took the liberty of cutting it in half. So first thing I have to do is make sure I only have one x. At least make sure there's one x on both sides. So first I need to combine these like terms. So I have negative 2x and I have 4x. I have 4 oranges. I take away 2 of them. That leaves me with 2 of them. I did nothing with this, so it needs to be brought down. Now, I need to have x on just one of these sides. I need to pick which side I need to put it on. I'm going to put it over here, which means I need to get rid of this one. It is a positive, so I need to do the opposite to get rid of it. So now I have a negative 1x or negative x. I'm putting the 1 in front just because I'm going to need to show you something later. This canceled out. I need to put this left over down there, though. I need this to be a coefficient of 1, not negative 1. So I need to get rid of the negative 1. So this is being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I have x equals negative 10. So that tells me that this is one of the boxes that's going to go down here, not in the grid, but down here. It's just going to depend on what I get for other answers. I'm going to do E next. So I blew it up right here, and it is here. I'm going to cut this in half and switch my color. So I need to do distributive property. So that means I need to multiply both items that are in there by negative 2. So x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1, just 2. I bring all that down there because I haven't touched it yet. Now I need to look at my x's, my variables. Pro tip, go with the one that's smaller, get rid of it. So I have negative 1x and negative 2x. Negative 2x is smaller, so I need to get rid of it. Do the opposite operation. So that's negative, add. That's how we get to 0. That's how we get it to cancel. What I do on one side, I must do the other. So that is going to leave me with x. Bring my leftovers down. Now I need to get x by itself. I do the opposite operation. So I have negative 8. So I hope that those 2 examples helped. Let me know if you have any questions. And always attend the Google Meets if you are struggling.